Welcome to JH. I recently tried Solestar insoles because I was actually hoping for something that could improve my comfort and performance while cycling, running, and hiking. Unlike those flimsy pieces of foam that come with your shoes, which are basically just there for decoration, these things are seriously structured. They feature a rigid stabilization core made from carbon fiber or a unique shell that forces your foot into a neutral, optimal position whether it likes it or not. Because apparently, our feet have been doing it wrong this whole time. Right away on my first rides with the Solestar Control cycling insoles, I noticed my legs felt lighter and more stable, and my foot pain essentially vanished. After a while, the numbness disappeared, and I felt a more direct power transfer to the pedals. Other cyclists seem to agree, claiming long rides feel smoother with less knee strain. One reviewer even mentioned it optimizes the driving experience, which is a fancy way of saying your feet aren't sliding around like wet soap. Then I moved on to the hiking and neutral run versions, though I'll admit it took some adjustment. The hiking insoles felt so rigid at first that my arches were actually questioning our friendship, leading to some initial soreness. But after a few trips, that feeling faded, and the downhill stability became noticeably better. My feet finally stayed put instead of trying to escape through the front of my boots. It's nice to know my toes won't be hitting the front of my shoes like a drum kit anymore. The neutral run insoles are a massive upgrade over stock ones, offering way more grip and support using the same Delta design from their cycling line. Reviewers love that they're lighter and more supportive, yet somehow cost significantly less than the cycling version. Plus, they come with a 6-week money-back guarantee, so you have plenty of time to decide if you actually like them or if you just enjoy the structural correction.